I started as a co-op in our Syracuse, New York office for 6 months. Then I went back to school and was a co-op again in our Lonick, Austria office for 6 months. Now I've been here for about a little over a year now, full-time.
My role and responsibility at Magna Powertrain is to measure noise and vibration data on various programs and products that we produce. That consists of instrumenting the vehicles, going out and actually driving and testing them, and then reporting out my findings through PowerPoints and meetings.
My name is Andres Fatul. I'm an electrical engineering co-op here at Magna Powertrain. I am a student at Kettering University in Flint. I was known as GMI, and I am an electrical engineer. I'm a junior one right now.
Usually a typical day, I'll start off, my boss will usually come over and kind of give me a list of things to do. I deal with a lot with suppliers, so usually some emails, and also I help put together bombs, cost of bombs when we have new programs.
I grew up in our Allenton, Michigan, which is farm country. A typical day at Magna Powertrain involves starting tests, working up instrumentation, completing work orders.
My current role at Magna Powertrain is functional definition engineer. I do a lot of software development and the strategies that we use in our software, controller transfer cases and other four-wheel drive systems. Do some software tuning and calibration in the vehicle, other control support at a customer site or around here at the office as well.
I'm also, in conjunction with doing vehicle work, working on our semi-anechoic NVH chamber. This actually isolates our components in a controlled environment, and we can actually measure just the noise and vibration data from our components rather than as the vehicle as a whole.
I like the atmosphere a lot. I work with a good group of people. It's not too stressful, sometimes it is, but they make it easy for me. It's not too hard, it's fun, I enjoy what I do.
Working up procedures for an NVH dyno. It involves coming up with fixtures for the dyno, running the dyno itself, programming the procedures, testing them, modifying them for different programs, and eventually coming up with a Magna standard for those tests.
The management style is pretty relaxed. My boss just sees me more like, so I see my boss more like a mentor. He tries to teach me and make sure I learn all the basic tools I need, so when I become a full engineer, I'm going to be more ahead of the game, and I'll be able to handle my own things without having to go through a CoOp again, you know. So
Always wear your lab coat if you're out in the garage. I'm the one that seems to get grease all over my nice white shirts, so it's smart to wear your lab coat and all your safety equipment while you're out there.
3 words to describe Magna Powertrain. It's opportunistic, rewarding, and an adventure.
Demanding, but not in a negative connotation. Challenging, I would say, but also pretty rewarding.
powerful, because I think it's one of the biggest suppliers for automotive industries, and we have pretty good stand in the automotive industry.
Challenging, exciting, and fast-paced.
Fun. It's just cool to be here.